Water vapour is always present in our homes, but can't always be seen by the human eye. Day-to-day activities can generate as much as 9 to 12 litres per day. The Dryzone Dehumidifier and Air Purifier reduces condensation levels to prevent mould growth. The unit quickly cools moist air, condenses it to liquid, and then reheats the dehumidified air. Select Auto mode to automatically dehumidify a room to a comfortable and healthy level. The Dryzone Dehumidifier and Air Purifier features a 10mm H13 HEPA filter that is capable of removing allergens and pollutants such as dust and pollen from the air. Actively manage the air quality of your home with Dryzone.